Hi, Chuck Briere, Peer Chain, Vice President of Strategic Alliances here in Waukegan, Illinois. We're going to introduce you to the truth and maintenance of chain in a series, but I'd like to start with a short lesson on the history of chain and the functions of chain. Many people are unaware of the fact that chain goes back in history and is an extremely relevant media even today. Chain provides many of the things that we take for granted day to day. For instance, the power that we use in power generation, chain is used. In the water that we drink, chain is involved in fresh water. Chain is involved in most all aspects of our life when it comes to manufacturing consumer goods, industrial goods, and even handling them. We'll be discussing with you some functions of chain briefly, but chain has been around since 225 BC. It started in concept with a gentleman by the name of Philo the Byzantine, Mechanicus. He was a Greek engineer who wrote about mechanics, hence mechanical engineering as we know it today. In 225 BC, jump to the 1500s, we have conceptual designs by a very famous inventor, Leonardo da Vinci. And chain, as a part of the Industrial Revolution, actually fueled the Industrial Revolution in the 1800s. In textiles, in weaving mills, transmitting power from shaft to shaft. In history, it went from flat belt drives to cog chain for positive drives, which is a feature and a benefit that chain provides. Functions of chain, there are three basic functions of chain in terms of what it provides. Chain is first used for power transmission, to transmit power from shaft to shaft. Rotating, we make things turn in factories. In conveyance, to move items from point A to point B. Chain conveys items in industry. So we have transmission, we have conveyance, and the third is what we call tension linkage. Tension linkage is lift. And lift is what provides things like on a forklift, provides a lift. In machinery, for many in-feed type applications, things are lifted. So in that we have leaf chain. So the three basic functions of chain are power transmission, conveyance, and tension linkage.